This is life. And life does not work on your terms, my people. Because you want life to be like this. No bumps, no ups, no downs. Actually, what most people want is joy and happiness every single day. My friends, you don't understand the process of yin and yang. You do not get joy without sorrow. They feed off of each other. The more that you can understand that life goes like this, is the better off you shall be, because your power lies in being able to consider how you respond to life. That's the power you have. But most people do not try to respond internally to life. They want to be able to control the external world. And when you do, you provoke anxiety, depression, and stress, because life will always teach you that it doesn't work on your terms. If that makes sense, you've been to the doctors and you've had a little bit of CBT and you've made some progress, but you want to get deeper because you want to move further and you want a different life for yourself. Inbox your girl Key. You are far from alone. And sometimes we just need to rethink how we think about life in order to be able to move on and up out of our situations. And so you'll learn to understand that this is momentary and this is momentary, and that is actually the beauty of life. I hope this makes sense to you. Do take care of yourself, because no one is coming to rescue. The more you don't take care of yourself, actually, people will take advantage and use you for their own gain.